Guys, we're gonna do a review of this oh, that's French. Uh, or, Organic peach sparkling water. So Origin. So let's try this out. Okay, so let me show you the ingredients here. It's spring water. So it does quench your thirst slightly better than bubbly, and it does have pretty good peach aroma. I really love the peach aroma. It's just as good as the peach bubbly, if not better, because of the spring water. So, and you can definitely feel it quenching your thirst better. So definitely check it out, guys. I actually like it. Any questions, comments, post below. Subscribe to the channel.
You like it, honey?